Meaning of God's country.
God's country.
God's country.
God's country.
God's country. God's country is a term used to describe a beautiful, peaceful, and idyllic place that is blessed by God's grace. It refers to a location where nature is unspoiled and breathtakingly beautiful, where the people possess a deep sense of spirituality and where the quality of life is high. Often associated with rural areas and small towns, God's country implies a simpler, more wholesome way of life, where people are connected to the land and to each other. It invokes feelings of nostalgia, contentment, and awe at the majesty of creation.